We're going to go through the basic process of selling a cash secured put right now using the Thinkorswim application for TD Ameritrade. And we'll click right here in the bid column. It has a little cell pop up over there. So you can adjust the price. The moment you start adjusting the price, this little lock icon appears. And when that lock appears, it makes it a limit order. So what we're doing when we're selling a contract, when we don't already own any, is we're actually writing cash secured put. And a cash secured put basically means that you're gonna allocate, in this case, $40,000, $40,500, because we have a strike of 405. And that money will just kind of be locked away in your brokerage account until either you buy back the contract. It doesn't have to be the exact one you sold, but you can buy back a contract at the same price. It could be at a lower premium or a higher premium, but whenever you go back to, zero owned, then it kind of frees up your money again. Someone could also exercise it too, since you wrote it, and that will kind of convert your money into 100 shares. So back to the process of selling a cash secured put. We got -1 over here, so we're just selling one. The expiration day, the strike price, it's a type put, and we just confirm and send. And once that executes, then we've sold a cash secured put using Thinkorswim. On the screen, we can see that our option buying power has decreased. We have $117 to our total value of our account. And then we can see that we have a quantity of -1, and it's going to expire in 7 days. So if you want to buy this back and kind of get out of the position, you just create a closing order, buy, and confirm and send. There we go.